Little education on autoclaves. This is an M11. That is a Midmark M7. Those are OCRs. OCM is a larger one. The Magnaclave is over there. And so these are electronic autoclaves. A little lesson so you understand. There's no computers in this autoclave, those autoclaves up there. Those are older ones we've reconditioned, and they're the best ones. Because what happens is you don't need a computer in an autoclave. All that allows is more games and more things to go wrong. All you need is temperature and pressure. If you have the right temperature and pressure, you will kill all spores, all kinds of bacteria, everything. So all you need is the temperature to correct and then the pressure. And that's just the same as a crock pot. You could use a crock pot and sterilize everything. That will work, but you'd be laughed at. But for the best ones that are reconditioned, called the Doctor's Toy Store, we've reconditioned. The newer they are, the worse they are, the more that's gonna go wrong. I will bet on it. I will promise you, you don't know anything about autoclaves. Better buy an old one in good shape, an older employee, an older whatever it is. They're just built better and they're built to last. You need the equipment, we buy, sell, trade. Call the Doctor's Toy Store, 877 Dear Us Toys, and get something that works. Get an old reconditioned autoclave. You're not gonna have problems. And if you do get a bill, 100, 200, 300 bucks, not 1,000, 1,500 at a time. Call today. Please subscribe to our channel. Real news for real doctors.